Hello my friends and welcome to Hairstyle TV. In today's video I'm going to show you an amazing hairstyle which you can wear in your college fest. So let's get started with today's video. Here on this channel I share super easy tips and tricks to solve your hair problem so that you can achieve all your hair goals without spending too much time, energy and money. And even I share super easy hairstyles so that you can do them quickly and look amazing. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video, which I do on every Saturday 5 p.m. So for this hairstyle you would only need lots of hair elastic, and first I'm gonna start by combing my hair and I will take you through what the hairstyle is all about. So finally it's winter time and every college student is excited because we have college fests. I wore this hairstyle on my college fest as well, and particularly on this day I was wearing some heels and I was like walking with so much confidence. I was feeling great about myself. I was feeling like I'm the most beautiful girl out here, and I was feeling like a boss lady. Like I was feeling so much good about myself. So this hairstyle is a little bit glammed up so that people could see that you have taken some effort for your college fest, but not too much glammed up when you look like you are going to a wedding, which yes, I have observed some girls look like. So that's not a look that we are gonna go for. Yeah, so it's a little bit glammed up, perfect for college fest, but not too glammed up. And one more thing which is very important is in college fest we are busy and we are running around. So this hairstyle is a tie-up hairstyle, so it's great. Your hair will be away from your face and it will not bother you. So it's like that perfect blend that you can find for the situation, and that's why I love this hairstyle. And the day when I was wearing this hairstyle, I was feeling like I'm on the top of the world. I was feeling amazing, and it's super easy to do. It's nothing difficult, but it looks so amazing. And even if you have short hair, you can do this hairstyle. Like if you have long hair, it would take a little bit longer to do this, and if you have short hair, you will be able to do this faster. So those of you who have short length hair, don't get upset, because in this case you girls have the advantage. Okay, so first I'm gonna take two bobby pins and pin my front section up. I'm gonna take one section from this side, another from the other side, and I'm gonna take it to my back. Okay, so I'm gonna take it in the middle and tie both the section together with an hair elastic. Take the ponytail and flip it through like this and pull the sections from the side so that it looks fuller. Then I'm gonna take again two sections from the side. And this time I'm gonna take the sections a little bit towards the left hand side. See it clearly, but basically I'm just tying the both ends with an hair elastic and then pulling the ponytail
through like this. You can see it's slightly hair, like I'm pulling it through it, and then I'm just pulling the sides so that it looks fuller.
So that's it. I'm gonna do the same thing the rest. Next time I will do it on the left and then right and left and then right. And I'm gonna do it until I reach the ends of my hair. And if you have shoulder length hair or medium length hair, then you can do it until you reach your ends. So I'm gonna continue and do it until I reach my ends. So when you are tying your hair with an hair elastic, the hair from here tends to stuck in our hair elastic and it gets messy. So the tip is you can take the rest of your hair, take it in the front, and then you can easily tie your section with an hair elastic and any other strand will not bother you. And it's perfectly fine if your sections are a little bit here and there and not perfect, because that's the whole look. Just make sure that you're pulling the sections out really well to make it look fuller. Only then your hairstyle would look fuller and nice. And even now I'm taking a section a little bit on the left side and the other a little bit on the right side. I'm almost there near the ends. So after a while, since I'm doing this, I kind of start enjoying it. I don't know why, but yes, I start enjoying this because it's super easy and fun to do hairstyle. Nothing is difficult in this hairstyle, but just the most important thing is you will have to pull the sections really out well so that it looks fuller. That's the whole point of this hairstyle. Otherwise, it will not look so good. Like I've tied this hair. Sure. So I'm gonna just flip it right here. So after flipping, it looks like this. Now look how fuller this looks. Okay, so now at the end, I'm gonna take all the hair
together and tie it with one hair elastic. I'm gonna do it for the one last time. Flip the whole ponytail. Pull the sections out.
If you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel by clicking on my channel icon right here. I will see you in my next video. Until then, don't forget to love your hair. Bye.